Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your cupcakes moist, easy method. Start by substituting part of the butter with oil and fold gently to avoid overmixing. Combine a dollop of sour cream or yogurt into the batter to lock in moisture and add flavor. Bake at a slightly lower temperature for an even rise and monitor closely with a toothpick for the perfect bake. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and keeping eggs and dairy at room temperature, which helps the batter blend evenly. Swap some granulated sugar for brown sugar to add moisture and a rich caramel tone. Consider using cake flour or sifting all-purpose flour to create a lighter texture, and always fold wet and dry ingredients together gently to preserve air for a fluffy, moist cupcake. Bake cupcakes at a modestly lower temperature for a few extra minutes to keep centers moist and prevent overbrowning. Once out of the oven, release them from the tin quickly and cool on a rack to avoid trapped steam that makes soggy tops. For storage, place a fresh slice of bread in an airtight container with cooled cupcakes to maintain moisture for days without altering flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.